If you are new to VersaHub, please view our onboarding video to set up your VersaHub platform. Scan the QR code located on your VersaTile box, Quick Start Guide, and your unit. The QR code will redirect you to versahub.com. Select Continue to Dashboard. Tap the menu icon and tap Add Unit. Select VersaTile. Now you will register your unit. Enter the serial number and DUID located on the back of your VersaTile and select Continue. Press the red Setup Mode button on the back of your VersaTile. You will hear a long beep and a red light will turn on when it's ready to connect. Check the box indicating you heard a long beep and see a red light. Select the Continue button. Now we're going to connect your VersaTile to Wi-Fi. On your cellular device, go to your Wi-Fi settings and connect to the VersaTile network. When connected, a pop-up window will appear. Select Next to continue setting up your device. Select the Wi-Fi network you want to connect your VersaTile to. Make sure your device is installed as high as possible in its intended location to ensure a strong connection. Enter your Wi-Fi password and press Connect. Check the box indicating you completed the steps above and press Continue. If your setup was successful, check the box that says, I heard 4 short beeps. Your VersaTile is now connected to Wi-Fi. Set the minimum and maximum range for your built-in sensors based on where and how the VersaTile will be used in your establishment and select the Continue button. Press the Sync button on the back of your VersaTile to apply the settings. Next, enter your unit information. Click the Continue button. Your VersaTile is ready. You can add another unit or view your VersaHub dashboard. You can now mount your VersaTile using the included sticker mount. To learn more about how to set up your equipment, watch more videos at www.versahub.com.